Hi, my name is Jeff Sharp, Senior Product Manager here at ADLINK. I'm responsible for the strategic planning of our portfolio within the Embedded Computing Division. Today I'm going to talk about the ADLINK Advanced ATCA portfolio. We've been doing ATCA products really since the inception of ATCA back in the early 2000s. We were part of the PICMIG Standards Committee that really drove the standards that built ATCA. We have a very long list of products that are flexible, scalable for your various solutions. We have 2U units, we have 6U units, we have 14U units that offer various capabilities for a multitude of network elements within the carrier's network. We have a very long list of CPU blades. We have a dual Westmere called the ATCA 6155. We have a dual Sandy Bridge EP-based processor called the ATCA 6200, which are really 10 gig based processors. And then as we move into the 40 gig world, we have an ATCA 9700, which is an Ivy Bridge based Intel board. We also have the 9710, which is also a dual Hoswell EP based board based on a 40 gig backplane. We have an ATCA 6900 dual Harpertown, a Sandy Bridge for dual for ATCA 6250, and an ATCA 9300 for the single Ivy Bridge processor. As you see within these Intel processors, we have the ability to be flexible to what your user's needs are and what your application requirements are. If you need 10 gig, 40 gig, a dual environment, or a single Intel processor to save costs, we have that long list of portfolios. We also have different network appliance blades. We have an ATCA N7700 NPU blade. We have a 3710 switchblade and a 3430 switchblade that offers you 40 gig and higher speeds throughout your ATCA platform. We also support a multitude of integrated chassis that these blades can be put into. We have an ATCA 8202, which is an AC version of the 2U 2-slot ATCA chassis. We have an AC version of a 6-slot ATCA H8606. We have a DC version called the ATCA 8214, which is a 14-slot 14U chassis. An ATCA H8314, which has a 40 gig backplane, and an 8414, which is an AC version, a 40 gig backplane as well for a 14U 14-slot chassis. All of our Intel CPUs come with standard ATCA capabilities and front planes. We're also coming out with a new 9710, which is based on the new Xeon E5 2600 family for the 40 gig Ethernet. What does ATCA provide in ADLINK? We provide higher performance bandwidth, advanced power management, and what we call the ADLINK Application Ready Intelligent Platform that gives you the abilities to build your application on an already application ready platform for middleware, packet manager. ADLINK also offers an intelligent power node manager. This gives you the ability to manage the power system within your ATCA chassis and the elements that reside within that chassis. That allows you to control, monitor, and optimize all of your power, which is a critical asset of the operators and the service providers' environment. They want to save power, they want to have the ability to manage and operate their systems without having to worry about both AC and DC power surges, power monitoring, and power management. The other key attribute of ADLINK is our software. So we have the ability to do power management, as I said. We have a system manager, all of which provide high availability 6.9 type capabilities within your application. We have support of Windows, Linux systems. We offer toolkits for data path and control plane capabilities. We support IPMI 2.0 and higher. The ADLINK Application Ready Intelligent Platform, or ARIP, again supports integration and validation that's pre-integrated within the chassis and the cards. OS and virtualization certification. We have a toolkit for the ecosystem validation for Packet Manager, Media Manager. We support Wind River, McAfee application control, high availability system management, and power management. And all of this can be done for your proof of concept to your customer and the deployment of your product.